Hello guys, this is Peter on Aurora's vlog. We're doing the Cebuano and English challenge translate. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, we are walking around our neighborhood. As you can see, it's so beautiful. The wind blows kind of cool, but the sun is out, so it's warm at the same time. It's kind of nice, cool, and warm. So today we're gonna be having Bisayan Cebuano language, and let's start with let's go. Mangadto na ta. Let's take a walk. Manglakaw ta. Manglakaw ta. Let's climb the mountain. Mangatkat ta sa bukid. Mangatkat ta sa bukid. Katkat means climb. Katkat means climb. When you want to say you want to climb the mountain, mangatkat ta sa bukid. It's such a beautiful day today. If you look at the clouds behind me, the clouds in Cebuano is panganod. Panganod. Beautiful clouds. Nindot nga panganod. Nindot nga panganod. Let's go straight. Diretso ta. Let's go straight. Diretso ta. Diretso ta. We are at the new neighborhood. This is behind or beyond Peralta trails. And this used to be just cactus, jumping tuya. This is where we used to walk, but now new neighborhood are being built here. I'm not sure what's the name of this. Maybe still part of Peralta, who knows. According to Bob, this is new Peralta Canyon subdivision, but I'm not sure about that, so I have yet to confirm about that. So this is the new neighborhood here. We're gonna go check out the park here. So that's the only house so far that I like. I like also the color. I think it looks like it's the only one that's done, maybe. It's nice to check out the new neighborhood here. House there across is still under construction. So I just talked to the Russian lady. She sounded like a Russian, I think, right? She's got that very hard accent. She said that this neighborhood, there's no name yet. They don't even have the name of this neighborhood. So anyways, we are here at the park where you can do some outside gym. You can play games there, do some exercise. Mukatkat ko. Mukatkat ko. I'm gonna go climb mukatkat ko. See? Then I'll stop here. Muhonong ko dire. Muhonong ko dire. Then I'm gonna go down. Munaog ko. Munaog ko. Munaog ko. Then I'm gonna go here. Wari ko dire. Wari ko dire. Katkat na pod. Climb again. Katkat na pod. I'm gonna climb again. I'm gonna slide. I'm gonna go slide. Mo slide ko. Mo slide ko. Whoops. Alright. I'm gonna come here. Moari ko dire. Moari ko dire. Moari ko dire. Means I'm stepping. Mutikang ko. I'm gonna take a step. Mutikang ko. Mutikang ko. Mutikang ko. I'm gonna take a step. Then maybe I'm gonna go there. Mukamang ko. Mukamang ko. I'm gonna go crawl. Mukamang ko. Mukamang ko. Ouch. Kasakit. Mukamang ko. Mulusot ko. Mulusot ko. I'm gonna get out. Now I'm out. Now I'm gonna go climb the slide. Mukatkat ko sa slide. Mukatkat ko sa slide. One, uno, dos, two, three, tres, four, cuatro, cinco, five. I'm gonna slide now. Slide na ko. Slide na ko. Woo! Ah! Yes! I'm done. Nahuman na ko. Nahuman na ko. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. I'm gonna try again. Okay, try it. You do your first leg. That's better. Okay, I'm gonna try again. What's a Bisaya? I'm gonna tumble, huh? Airi? Airi? I didn't know that's airi. I thought that's tumbling. Tumbling ko. Tumbling. Ah, okay. Your turn. What is that, airi? All right, one more time, honey. Okay, here we go. Mutumbling ko. I will flip. Mutumbling ko. It goes to show I don't do this much, so. All right, Pete, magtumbling. What do you call that? Whew, okay. Thank you. We're done our exercise.
Hello guys, we're here in park in Arizona. So we're gonna do the challenge again, the English and Visaya translate.
I will do the English and Peter will do the
Visaya.
Cebuano.
Yeah, Cebuano.
All right. So we are here at the park.
So karon na ata karon sa park. So karon na ata karon sa park.
Do you like the weather?
Ganahan ka sa panahon. Ganahan ka sa panahon.
Is the wind cold?
Bugnaw bang hangin? Bugnaw bang hangin?
Let's go play.
Manuwa ta. Manuwa ta.
Shall we go play in the grass?
Pwede ta mo duwa dira sa sagbutan. Pwede ta mo duwa dira sa sagbutan.
Grass is sagbut.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go down, slide the slide.
Mang slide ta. Mang slide ta.
Let's go swing on the swing set.
Mag
Oh, duyan.
Or
Let's
magduyan.
duyan. Duyan. Swing is duyan. The mountain behind us is Superstition Mountain.
ang kanang naa sa tong luyo nga bukid kay superstition.
Superstition Mountain. It is a very famous mountain.
Sikat kay na bukid. Sikat kay na bukid.
All right. It's starting to get chilly.
Nisugod na bugnaw. Nisugod na bugnaw.
Shall we stop this?
Pwede na ba nato hunungon ni? Pwede na ba nato hunungon ni?
Shall we?
Pwede ba? Pwede ba?
All right, let's get going now.
Mangadto na ta. Mangadto na ta.
All right, guys, thanks for watching
Thank
Aurora's
you.
vlog, and thank you again, Peter. It seems like we're doing this very often, and thank you. And guys, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Bye.
Please subscribe.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Please like and subscribe. Bye.